Guys, it is Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So, today we have a lender by the name of Fortiva. Now, this credit card is to specifically help you to rebuild your personal credit. Now, the good thing about this card is there is no credit score required to be pre approved for this credit card. They have limits as high as $5,000 to be pre approved. But of course, if you do accept the terms and the conditions, there will be a hard inquiry. So they have some more credit card details. You can earn 3% cashback rewards on gas, groceries, and utility bill payments. Earn 1% cashback rewards on all other eligible purchases. Good Anywhere Master is accepted. Zero fraud liability, free access to your Vantage score, 4.0 credit score from TransUnion. Now, like I said, the good thing about this card is it does help you to rebuild your personal credit. So they do report to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So the card network is master. So like I said, this just gives you a lot of details on the side more about the card. Far as the pre-approval, there is again, no hard inquiry on your credit score whatsoever. And I do recommend this credit card if you have a low 400 credit score and above, okay? Like I said, they have a $5,000 credit limit, which could help you build your credit or for extra funding. Now, the application process is very simple and straight to the point. You also get an instant decision whether you were approved or denied right away. Okay, it's a very simple application. You get a response immediately. There will be no hard impact to your credit score for pre approval. Again, if you do accept the terms and the conditions, there will be a hard inquiry. This is an unsecured credit card. Again, free credit score. You get transactions alert, simple plus secure application, zero fall liability. So, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.